Hello again, this is Justin D'Amato with NakedTrader.com. I have an example, daily Naked Trader power signals, correlating commodity-based ETFs to their commodity futures equivalency, I guess. So what we have on the left here is a TLT iShares, and that's equivalent to the 30-year bonds. So if you're looking to, if you just don't have the capital or the margin requirements to trade futures at the exchanges, maybe you can trade these ETFs. Maybe that's what you can gravitate towards. So these two products are very well correlated. We're going to go back a little bit earlier in the year. There are numerous examples. I like this one in particular because we can combine some technical analysis with our Naked Trader power signals. So we're looking at late December and January here for the TLT, which is on the left, and on the right, the 30-year bonds, which are traded at the CME or Board of Trade here in Chicago. So also same time frame, late December and into January here. So what we got here on the TLT on the left again is a daily buy signal on the 31st. As you can see, we do not have one on the right chart, which is the bonds, which is fine. Many times we're going to get signals a day off, a day before. You know, they're not always going to be right on the exact. They're not going to always match up. So day for day. So some of these do. On the 30-year bonds, the daily buy signals occurred from the January 6th, 7th, and 8th, 3 in a row. So here we got one on the TLT on the 8th. So if you're getting long the TLT, you know, anywhere down here between, they started to give you buy signals around just under the 90 level, really all the way down to about 89, about 88.80. So a little over $1 range there, you know, the Naked Trader power signals liked being long. And as we see a broadening bottom, which is a technical reversal pattern here in the works, and as well in the 30-year futures, we're looking for a reversal higher. We're looking for, you know, we're setting our stop somewhere below in the TLT if you're trading the ETF, somewhere below 88.80, maybe $88 area. And of course the bonds on the right here, we're going down below maybe the mid 14 handle, maybe 14 even, give it a little breathing room. Most of the buy signals were occurring right around the 15 even, the 115 handle. But you know, combining these daily signals with these broadening bottoms, we loved being long this these markets coming into the first of the year. So I hope you can utilize these Naked Trader daily signals, Naked Trader's power signals, you know, in this fashion. And if you have any other questions about how to trade them, you can always email us at tech@nakedtrader.com, and somebody will get back to you as soon as possible. One last thing to note here, just so you can get a price reference on this, the price did break out finally to the upside of this broadening base here on the TLT on January 14th. Price was around 90.40, rallied up over the next couple days to 92.40 before settling off into some profit taking and kind of sideways activity. And then, of course, the bonds lifted from the 15 handle well up to 17 and actually traded up to the 19 handle, really, back in late January. So it was a good move in both areas. The Naked Trader daily signals are meant for short-term market rotations within the current trend. So you know, you don't want to be married to these trades or signals too much beyond our recommended suggestions, and you can find the intricacies and suggestions on the site in the power signals section. We urge you to read through that material. It's not very long, and listen to as many audio tutorials as you can to get a good handle on how we've manipulated these signals over the last several years. So thanks again for your time. Good luck with the trade going forward, and if you have any questions, again, it's tech@nakedtrader.com. Thanks very much. Have a great day.